Alright, we got 10 minutes to unbox this bad boy. Let's see what we got. Where is that little thing? Oh man, the joy of unboxing. Best feeling in the world. You gotta understand how it kills me that I could have unboxed this hours ago already, but I'm waiting to get it on film. I have to first finish work. It absolutely kills me. And I do it for you guys, so you can experience this with me. So I hope you're feeling special. All right. Ooh, here we go, here we go. Let me just say that if I had to choose between this and the iPhone, I obviously made the choice. I choose this. I'm just an Android guy. It's just me. Don't deny who you really are. Don't change because of what other people tell you. Ooh, look at that. Let's first see this top piece. I had to go for the Mystic Bronze. I just had to. It seems that when you get this phone, you just have to get Mystic Bronze. Let's see. I'm hoping. Samsung used to give a case with their phones. Let's see. They didn't do it this time. Damn it! That's what I really need is a case, because you know how expensive these cases are. So it's just some paperwork in there. I'm not even going to look at that. Don't think it's important. Let's have a look at the phone. Woo! Look at that. Look at that, folks. Bam! What more do you want than that? I mean, just look at that. It's like, I don't know if it was Lou Later episode that I was watching or something, but it just looks like this thing means business. I mean, look at that camera hump. That thing is huge. So obviously if you put a case over it, it's gonna nicely come in line with the case. But what I like about this phone, it's got that strong glass on it. So your phone's very well protected. I took an extra warranty with it as well. Let's peel the sucker off. Oh yeah. Woo! Nice. Okay, this front one I'm gonna keep on for now. So they've changed the buttons on my previous model. Let me just show you. All the buttons. Let me just clean it up a little bit. Gotta be professional, you know? This is YouTube. Okay. So, as you can see with my previous phone, all the buttons are on the opposite side. Now I'm actually quite a fan of having the buttons just on one side because you have less accidental touches, all of that. So now they've switched it to the other side, which I guess this is better. I'm left-handed, so that works for me. I guess if you were right-handed, this is, I don't know. But this works for me. Let's power it on and then let's see. You can see from the front, it's basically, oh, look at that camera hump. You can see the phone can't even lie flat on the table. But what's nice is with the iPhone, you had that little rocking motion. Here, it feels stable. Even though it's off the ground, it's not rocking, which I guess you can appreciate. It feels like just the top is a little bit elevated. So let's see if we get this set up. Screen reader. Don't care about any of that stuff. Insert SIM card. Okay, so let's do that. We'll take the SIM out of the old one and put it into the new one. So I got a dual SIM. So I'm hoping that this new model, and that's something I was, you know, not very happy about the iPhone with, is the iPhone can only take one SIM card. Yeah, you can do that digital SIM. I'm not quite sure exactly how it works. I didn't try it, but yeah, over here you got the, you do have two SIM card options, which is nice. So we pop in the one SIM there. The only thing is, if you do want to put in a memory card, you're only going to be able to put in one SIM card, which I guess you can live with that. I just don't use the memory card because you get 256 gigabytes of memory, which for most people that will be enough. For me, it's gonna last me a while before it fills up, and by the time it fills up you can delete old content or send it to your PC, no problem. And it just slips in like that, and boom, Bob is your uncle. Okay, let's just put this pin in. I don't know, I've read everything. Yes. Okay, and we just got to connect the 5G. Boom, and this phone is obviously 5G. Alright guys, so we're back to this unboxing. I had to cut the video short because I had to go to work, but I just wanted to finish it. So I got this nice case for the Note20 Ultra. You can see this is nice, makes me think of the Pixel cases. That's material, just to protect the phone. Obviously when you're gonna walk around like this, you don't want to take the risk. And also, just to make this camera hump less protrusive, you're much better off putting a case on. I find that this case just balances this color very nicely. So I got that case. Let's just quickly see what's in the rest of the box. Oh yes, I wanted to show you guys. So we've got the new 108 megapixel sensor on the Note20 Ultra. And if you look closely, you can see the size and difference of the sensor, which is huge. Not very easy to see, but you can see it's a much bigger sensor on that one, and that is also why we need the bigger camera hump. So I have been taking some photos with it, and yeah, it's looking really good so far. I'll do a final review on that before I give you my conclusion. Let's just quickly see what we get in the box. Okay, so let's lift that up. Okay, so unlike Apple, you do get a power brick. I like these power bricks because Type-C to Type-C. Let's quickly see where the power brick is, or the cable, sorry. Okay, so here's the little cable. And yeah, this seems to be the same as my old Note 10 charger. So this should be 26 watts. Let's just see if we can see. Yeah, 26 watts if I'm not mistaken. I can't see it now. Right, so you do get the charger in the box, which is great. And also, unlike Apple, you still get a pair of headphones, wired headphones. So straight out the box, much better value for money than the Apple. These two things you get, I mean, if you had to buy these two things on its own, it's gonna cost you at least what, $50? So right there already you're getting much better value from Samsung. So that's my first initial unboxing. Very excited to use this phone a little bit. Man, this high refresh rate screen, everything feels so smooth, and it just feels the way that Android should be. For me, I actually prefer the buttons on the other side, like the Note 10. But we'll play around with this one a little while, and then we'll see how we find it after about a week of using the phone. Okay guys, stay tuned for the full review. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.